What's up, YouTube? We back at it again. First of all, I want to wish you guys a happy new year. I appreciate you guys for the support all last year, and for continuing to check out all my videos and staying posted with everything. Checking out the latest merch. Y'all check it out at elcisa.com. We got the newest shirt that just came out. Y'all check it out. That's the Corvette design shirt. So yeah, go get one at elcisa.com, or just contact me via Instagram if you're in Houston, Texas. I'll meet up with you just to go drop it off to you guys. So yep, that's the new design. You go get one. I'll get y'all some stickers. Y'all see me around, just ask me for some. I'll have some on me all the time. So let's get on with the video. Today we're actually doing the front brakes on on the Q50. So they started kind of with a high pitched noise too. So hey, might as well swap them out. And if you guys watched my last video, I think one of my last videos, it was on the rear brakes for the Q50. So I'll run you guys through the front brakes, which will be the same thing, just the same thing. We'll just leave it at that. Here are the brakes. I went with the OEM, the Nissans, Akabonos. So I just gave them my last 8 of the VIN, and they'll bring them up. And they come with the lube, and they come with new cotter pins, or little cotter keys. And all you're gonna need is just a screwdriver, needle nose, and a punch, just to push out the pins. So that's all it takes. All right, so I set you guys up here, firm row seat. I kind of turned the wheel a little bit, just so this whole piece could be sticking out, and you guys can actually look at what I'm doing. All right, first off, we're gonna remove the pins. Things are in there, so take them off. Oh, there it goes. And the next one. All right, then you push the pins out. See what I do? I'll push this tab down, just so it won't be under tension, and the pin will just push out smoothly. See, nice and smooth. I'll just leave them dangling in there. And then the top one, make sure you just hold this on here as well, because this thing's gonna just wanna, since it's under tension, it's just gonna want to jump out. So I'll hold that in place. There it goes. Y'all see? And then take this off. That's the only thing right there holding that in place. And then this right here, all you gotta do is just push it
There you go. Close up, open up the pistons to be able to put the new ones in. Yeah, see how it's moving? There it goes. Alright, the other side. Yeah, see him right there? There it goes. Nice and slow. Have patience. Alright. That's that. Alright. That's that. Now you take them off. There he goes. And you guys are going to need these little shims, so y'all see right now. Alright, pull them out. Get your new pads. There's a new rear one right here. Remember, it's got the little, this actually will makes that high pitched noise whenever it starts getting low. So that's it right there. See that piece right there? So that's the one that goes on the back side. We're just gonna lube it up right before we install it. Let's take these shims out. See, make sure how they go because they're orientated a certain way. See how these little tabs at the bottom? Keep it at the bottom. Got these tabs up top. So this is how we're gonna put it on the other one. Just like this. But before that, let's lube it up with the grease they provided us. I'll just put a little bit here, a little dab right here around. Just to prevent it from any squeaking, high-pitched noises. And then put this on here. Let's see. See how it goes. Alright, now I'll slip this one in. Goes in the back. Remember the one with the tab? This tab right here goes towards the back, towards the inside, towards the engine. Alright, that's in there right there. Let's do the other one. Take the shim off, same way. Get the other tab. This pad right here. Alright, we'll lube it up. It's gonna go the same way it went on the other one. So, alright, just lube it up right here, a bit, center, around. And put the shims in. And there it goes. They're on. And you slide this in. How simple was that? Okay. Now that that's in place, bring it out a little bit. There it goes. Okay. That's that. Now you put this back in there. This actually holds it in place. The bracket that holds it in place. We will put in the bottom pin first. See, I'll press this here because that's where it holds it in place. And I'll line up this hole here just so I can actually be able to install the cotter pin. Leave it towards the top. Makes it a lot easier for me to install it. Alright. Bring it up a little bit. There it is. Okay, it's in. Now the top one. It is bring this cotter pin hole to the top. Make it easier on us. And that's it. It's in. Get your new cotter keys. The cotter pins, put them in. Got them right here. It's in. Then put the bottom one in. And there it is. And that's how you replace the pads on these big brake hits, Brembos, whatever you want to call them, Macabonos. It was that simple. So,
Appreciate you guys for watching. Y'all stay tuned to the next one. Appreciate you guys.